Piecewise function means I'm going to draw different pieces of each graph. So what I like to do is I like to draw a table of values for every piece of the function. Since I have two pieces in this case, I'll draw two tables. The first one I'm going to look at is x plus 1. The domain of x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 1. So I'm going to start at 1 and make numbers that are greater than or equal to 1. So then I'm going to plug it in. If I plug in a 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2. If I plug in a 2 here, 2 plus 1 is 3. If I plug in a 3 here, 3 plus 1 is 4. So then I'm going to go ahead and plot those points. At 1, 2, I'm going to have a closed dot because it's greater than or equal to. And a lot of times when I have the equal to, I'll say I'm going to use a closed dot here. 2, 3, 3, 4, and hopefully you can see the pattern. So there's one piece of my function. The next function, f of x equals 3 if x is less than 1. Well, I've got to start at 1, but at 1 I'm going to have an open circle. So we always start with our x values on whatever values that are given in the domain. Because part of what sometimes we have a hard time making that connection is I'm not just using integers. I'm using 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So we're using every real number. All right, so numbers that are less than 1, 0, -1, -2. Well, f of x equals 3. So my y value is 3 no matter what. So these are all 3. So at 1, 3, I have an open circle. At 0, 3, at -1, 3, at -2, 3, and now I can see my pattern and I have a horizontal line. So now I've drawn two pieces separately on one graph.